Linking your PayPal credit to your main PayPal account is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your payments more effectively. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website or open the PayPal app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account where you want to link your PayPal credit. Step 2. Navigate to Wallet. Once logged in, locate the Wallet option in the menu. This section allows you to manage your payment methods, including credit cards and bank accounts. Step 3. Add PayPal credit. In the Wallet section, look for an option to link a card or bank. Select this option and then choose Link PayPal Credit. Follow the prompts to enter your PayPal credit details. Step 4. Confirm your information. After entering your PayPal credit information, review the details to ensure everything is correct. This may include your credit limit and account number. Confirm the information to proceed. Step 5. Check confirmation. Once you have linked your PayPal credit, you should receive a confirmation message. Check your Wallet section to ensure your PayPal credit appears as a linked payment method. By following these steps, you can easily link your PayPal credit to your main PayPal account and enjoy seamless transactions.